Remembering Dhewa. The Legacy of Tongai Moyo, October 2025. Today, October 15th, marks the anniversary of a loss that forever changed the landscape of Zimbabwean music. On this day in 2011, the nation mourned the passing of a titan, a flamboyant figure whose voice and guitar riffs resonated deep within the soul of Sungura music. Tongai Moyo, affectionately known to his legions of fans as Dhewa, Igwe, or Murozvi Mukuru. Born in Kwekwe in 1968, Tongai Moyo's musical journey was a vibrant tapestry woven with immense talent, hard work, and an undeniable stage presence. Starting his career in the late 1980s, he eventually fronted his own band, Utakataka Express, becoming one of the most successful artists in the country. The Hits and The Rivalry. Dhewa's music was characterized by relatable lyrics, rich instrumentation, and his distinctive voice. His catalogue is studded with smash hits that became anthems, including Samanyemba, Mudzimu Weshiri, and the chart-topping Nimambora Mise, from the album Naye. Over a career spanning more than 2 decades, he released 14 albums, each adding to his legendary status. His popularity sparked one of the most talked about rivalries in Zimbabwean music history, his competition with fellow Sungura heavyweight, Alec Machiso. This spirited, often competitive, dynamic fueled both artists to produce exceptional work, pushing the boundaries of the genre and giving fans years of unforgettable music. The Dhewa vs. Extra Basso debate remains a hallmark of the Sungura era. More than just music. Beyond the music, Dhewa was known for his energetic performances and his suave, often flamboyant, style. He had a magnetic personality that commanded attention, whether on stage or off. He faced a lengthy battle with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, which he fought with courage and continued to create music even through his illness, releasing his 14th album, Toita Bossa, shortly before his death. His perseverance in the face of adversity was a source of inspiration to many, and his smile on stage often masked the pain he was enduring. A lasting echo. Though he left us too soon, at the age of 43, Tongai Moyo's influence is still profoundly felt. His son, Peter Moyo, has courageously picked up the torch, leading Utakataka Express and ensuring his father's music lives on. Today, as we remember Tongai, Dhewa, Moyo on this somber anniversary, we celebrate the incredible music he gave us. His legacy is etched in the melodies, the dances, and the vibrant history of Zimbabwean Sungura. What is your favorite Tongai Moyo song? Share your memories of Dhewa in the comments below.